So this is my Louis Vuitton Montsouris GM backpack. This is what she looked like before she got repaired. So let me show you what she looks like now. Hey, Bernice. Yes, she has a name. Okay, guys, y'all ready? Are you ready to meet Bernice? This is Bernice, and she was stuffed with the air paper. When I tell you to keep them stuffed, keep them stuffed. So this bag is from 2003, if I'm not mistaken. This is her. Oh, sorry. My husband actually made this base shaper for me. I used to order base shapers all the time for my bags. But what I don't like is that they were so sharp in the corner, and I had seen reviews that it was actually tearing the inside of the bags. And since I love Hello Kitty, my husband actually made this for me so that the bag wouldn't bend on the bottom here, and it's prone to cracking. So this helps it keep its shape. So this is the inside of the bag. Of course, I have like little glitter and stuff. I take very well care of my bags. Here is the... So here's another thing. When you get your leather replaced, they do not replace the inside. They only do the outside of the bag, just so y'all know. So here's this bag. I got her replaced about 5 years ago. And when I got her back, she was starch white. I did not even want to touch her and use her. But I have since, and ever since then, there's little marks there, which is gonna happen, guys. But love your bag. This bag is from, let me see, the day code. You can look here together. So it is on this D-ring on the inside here. Excuse my nails. I was gonna get my nails done for my birthday, but I didn't. I haven't gone for over 2 years. Here we go. So the day code reads the following. SP1013, 11th week of 2003. This bag is from 2003. Guys, come on. You know that Louis Vuitton tried to make another Montsouris backpack. It looks nothing like this. This is stunning. This is gorgeous. I bought it for a decent price. I took it in, got all the leather replaced. I did not do the zipper because the zipper was anywhere from $300 to $500. Don't quote me on that. That was years ago. So I thought that was way too much. So I just left it alone. It is still very buttery. If you all know, Louis Vuitton zippers are very buttery. But yes, this is my backpack. Her name is Bernice and I love her. Thank you, guys. So if you have a vintage, get her replaced because she will last me another 20 years. And this bag will, not now, but in the near future will be going to my daughter. But right now she just started college, so I'm gonna wait a while and then I'll give it to her. But yes, here's some eye candy. And I have a little luggage tag here with my initials. And this is her. And she will be in my collection for a very long time. Thank you, guys. Bye. Say bye, Brittany.